Hello everyone, it is Miss Tanisha and I am here to invite you to my story time next week. We are going to have the snowy day story time and I want to tell you some of my favorite things that I like to do in the snow. One of my favorite things to do with the snow is make a snow angel. So please stop by this week and come and see me for my story time. I would love to hear what you like to do in the snow. Bye. Hey everyone, we are back inside now and I am going to show you how to make the Snowflake Craft. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure you have like some newspaper or something like that, so that when you begin to paint, you don't get it all over. You want to make sure you have all your materials. In your kit, you should have a piece of cardstock, a paintbrush, some paint, some washi tape, and some glitter. Now parents, please don't be mad at me because this glitter is going to get all over the place. So the first thing you want to do is if you have a plate or something like that, you want to make sure you have something to put your paint in. And just shake your paint up a little bit because it may have settled in the bag. Pour some of it out. That should be enough because you don't need that much. Then you're going to take your blank sheet of paper and your washi tape and you're going to start to make your snowflake. Now I have actually started to make mine, and what I did first is I took some longer pieces of the washi tape, about the same size, there's 3 of them, and I overlapped them to look like a star. Then what you can do, you can either use some scissors or you can rip them with your hands. You'll take your washi tape and you will kind of cut like so, to begin making those edges of your snowflake. So I've already done a lot of these, so I'm just gonna quickly do that so you can see how it can begin to look like a snowflake. Now you really want to make sure that you are pressing down hard on your washi tape so that you have no paint seep through the tape. Just like that. So kind of told you what our next step is. You are going to paint over your snowflake. And I know you're like, why would I want to paint over my snowflake? It looks beautiful right now. Well, that's what makes it look like a cool winter snowflake once we paint over it with the blue paint. All right, we are almost done here. Just a few more to add. Oops. Alrighty. So, as you know, story time starts tomorrow downtown at Willard Library at 10 a.m. The story is going to be A Snowy Day. One of the things that we're going to be talking about is what are some of your favorite things to do when it's snowy outside. So I hope that you come and see me tomorrow so that you can tell me what you like to do. So now that we're here, we're actually going to make sure everything is flat with our washi tape, and we're going to paint over this snowflake. And it doesn't need to be perfect. You just kind of go real fast, like so, and cover that snowflake. All right, we're almost there. I forgot to tell you all that when I'm inside and it's a snowy day, I really like to cuddle up next to a fireplace and drink some hot cocoa. I hope I have some hot cocoa fans here. So at this point, this is what your snowflake is going to look like. All right? Doesn't look like much. But while the paint is kind of drying, what you want to do is you want to take your glitter and you're going to just sprinkle a little bit all over so that the glitter will stick to the wet paint. So you want to make sure you're getting it all over. And like I said, this is the messy part. So it's really great that I have a shopper here, a newspaper, so that when I'm ready to remove some of the glitter, it can just go into the paper. So you're going to lightly tap that and you are going to let it dry. So I actually have one that I've started, and I'm not going to show you the entire thing, but you really just begin to peel the tape from the paper, like so. And once you are done peeling every piece of tape, you will have something that looks like this. So I hope you enjoyed the craft. Have a great day, and I hope to see you later on this week at Storytime. Bye. Was that good?